Hi everyone, welcome back to Benny Course. This is my Python shorts. Today we'll be looking at different type of print functions. First one is print. Inside print functions we can mention anything like I am learning Python. This should be in single quote, double quotes, and triple quotes. It will be print. And second type of print functions will be this is begins with F. This is formatted function formatted formatted string. For example, here. Before that, we have to create a variables like program. The program variable contains the Python value, and this is going to be version will be 3.110. And now I'm printing the value like a formatted string. Here I am learning. Here the placeholder, the value will be placed to this variable, and next one here it's version. Again, I'm placing the placeholder. The variables should be placed here. If I click enter, we will get the values. And third type of functions will be the same thing. For example, program equal to Python. We are just be mentioning we just add with the string. For example, I am learning Python. Just give comma, in the variable name program. Here we'll get this. And the third type, fourth type will be the pi value. For example, decimal values. Wherever decimal values, we can mention like this is also a start with pointer string. For example, how many decimals we want to print in this case. The placeholder should be there, and pi the variable, and it should be the syntax for colon and number of. For example, here I'm 3 decimals I want. If I click enter, we'll get the 3 decimals. And fifth type will be print function with the separate parameter. Inside print function, we have separate parameter. For example, here I am a Python developer. Here I mentioned the separate function. Here I'm separated by the space. Thank you.